So we're here now, early morning with Meg and Amy. It's a very early morning. Reason why I like walking the lions at such a time is because in summer it gets to 33-34 degrees Celsius and it's really excruciatingly hot by 9 o'clock in the morning. So to go walking at 5 is a pleasure. It's nice and cool, the light's pretty, everything's nice and fresh, and the lions are energetic and they love it. So here we go with Meg and Amy. Enjoy. Meg's not really playing ball today. She's rolling around and crushing the camera. Stop crushing the camera, my girl. No! So there's actually nothing I enjoy more than to go for an early morning walk with the lions and just go walking wherever the lions decide they want to go, and it's really just invigorating and refreshing, and they have an absolute blast of a time. They just scent marking and rubbing up on trees, clawing trees. It's just fantastic. A lot of the lions do is they sniff and lick and roll around in fresh antelope or herbivore droppings. They really get a kick out of it, smelling all the pheromones that are exuded in the feces. So whenever you're walking along and they come across some fresh poop, you'll see they stop what they're doing, they lie down, they roll in it, they sniff it in. They draw the scent in over the Jacobson's organ on the top of the palate, and then they give that typical Fleming action that most people see. Think the lions are roaring, but actually all they're doing is showing their teeth and drawing in the scent, and it's what's called a grimace, especially the male lions. Male lions are even more crazy about rolling in dung than the females. I hope you enjoyed that walk with Meg and Amy. Sometimes walks are eventful, sometimes they aren't. Be sure to join us on future walks, because you just never know.